If you've been scrolling through Amazon lately, you may have stumbled across something called Therm Venom Oil, a bold sounding muscle relief product that seems to pop up in random ads and wellness threads. But what's the real story behind it? Is it a clever new recovery solution? Or just another overhyped bottle destined to collect dust on your shelf? Today, we're taking a closer look to help you figure out whether it's a scam or actually worth your money. First, let's look at what the product claims to do. Bee venom formulas are marketed as fast acting muscle relaxers that provide warmth, relief, and improved circulation. Sounds impressive on paper, but when you check the actual user experience, things take a different turn. On Amazon, Mentherm Bee Venom Oil currently sits at around 2.9 stars out of 5, and that's not exactly confidence boosting. Several buyers say they felt no noticeable effect at all. No heat, no tingle, no soothing sensation, nothing. One reviewer even said it basically felt like colored water, which is a pretty harsh criticism for something marketed as a specialized relief oil. And this isn't an isolated case. When you compare it with similar products making the same promises, you'll notice a pattern. Low ratings across the board. That's usually a sign that the formula, the whole category, or the marketing buzz doesn't live up to expectations. If only one product struggled, you could chalk it up to a bad batch. But when multiple versions from multiple sellers show the same disappointing trend, it raises a bigger question about whether any of them actually work. So, what does that mean for you? Honestly, the smartest move right now is to pause before buying. The product hasn't gained enough reliable feedback to prove itself, and the reviews it does have aren't convincing. If more people begin reporting real results, you can always revisit it later. But if you're looking for relief now, you're better off choosing a product with strong, consistent reviews and a proven track record. Something you don't have to gamble on. At the end of the day, Mentherm Bee Venom Oil doesn't look like an outright scam, but it also doesn't look like something that delivers on its promises. At least not yet. Sometimes the wisest choice is to wait, watch, and pick a solution you know will actually work. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and stick around for more honest product deep dives.